Hi, I'm Rebecca. I'm one of the sales consultants here at Arroyo Norte by William Ryan Homes, and I'd like to show you our new Tierra model, 2455 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and a 3-car tandem garage. Den here, open den that can have double doors. Come into our beautiful great room. Beautiful kitchen. Granite countertops come standard in our kitchens and our owner suite bath. We have beautiful tile floors, 18 by 18 tiles are included. Let me show you the owner suite bedroom and the owner suite bathroom. Ensuite, double vanities, beautiful standalone tub, great big, beautiful shower. This is our super shower. It comes with the bench and the rain head. We have his and her closets, and we have an optional door to go into the laundry room from the owner suite closet. This floor plan also has 2 secondary bedrooms. Both of them have walk-in closets with a Jack and Jill bath. Backyard, beautiful 17,000 square foot lots here at Arroyo Norte, up to 33,000 square feet. We do offer casitas, which we'll look at next. Pool houses, multi-gen suites, and RV garage options. There's beautiful views out here. It's a gorgeous community. Here's our casita. Comes with a bedroom, a bathroom, a walk-in closet, and a kitchenette. Let me show you our detached RV garage option. This is our 50-foot by 16-foot RV garage. It's detached. It comes with a 12-foot garage door in the front, optional 14-foot door, and also in the back, you can have a garage door. You will run out of toys before you run out of garage space here at Arroyo Norte by William Ryan Homes.